Hey guys, it's Bree here. Welcome back to my channel, Sewing with Bree. So I found these pants at the thrift store, and they were khaki, some khaki like slacks or whatever. And so I was just like, I want to do a long skirt, be a long skirt girly, right? So I'm just like, I have an idea. I saw this picture on my Pinterest board. Literally, it's just the back of some pants. I'll show you right there. And I was just like, there's something here. There's something here. So I decided to be like, hey, let me upcycle these pants and add this to these pants. So let me show you guys how I did this and like my little process or whatever. Let's get into it.
So I have arrived to Home Depot. Home Depot is giving. We see the Christmas decorations. It's giving vibes. Just straight vibes. So here I'm just, inside I'm picking out my chains. So I couldn't decide. I thought I was gonna get this black one. This one that you see right here. It kind of felt the best to me. It wasn't too heavy, which is my concern since I am getting it from Home Depot. It's really a last minute DIY project. So when you're doing this project, make sure it's not too heavy, because some of them are a little heavy on the heavy side. That makes sense though, because we are at Home Depot. Everyone's pretty helpful. When I got there, this is what I got when I got there. Got 8 feet. That's the measurements that I got. Here's me with my little Crocs, doing whatever. And here's me just heading to checkout. So here are the khaki pants that I was talking to you guys about. And then I just seam ripped everything.
I would say just to take your time when you're doing this. Do not rush. I sped this up, but obviously just took a minute, so be patient with yourself. So after you're finished seam ripping the pants, now we have to reconnect them together. So we're going to reconnect the two front leg pieces together, joining them up together. I'm using my clamps and I am clipping them so that way we can sew them together. Do keep in mind that you do have to do this inside out, so just keep in mind you are going to sew them inside out as well, just to get you guys know. And here I'm taking it to my sewing machine, doing it really quick. I just did a straight stitch. You can do a zigzag stitch, whatever floats your boat. Remember to back stitch always. So now we're gonna get to a little bit of the more interesting part. So now I'm gonna take my chalk and my expandable button guide. That's with the silver thing, and then I'm also taking my ruler. So I'm gonna leave my measurements on the screen, but you can do as you'd like, however you like to do it. This is just how I did it. You're free to do, like, again, however you like.
So I already went ahead and made my holes already. I felt like it was self-explanatory how you make your holes. You just follow the measurements that you made for yourself when it comes to making your holes. Now here I'm going to show you guys how you're going to put your garments on. And pretty much you're going to have 2 circles, one with one that's more flat and one that has an edge coming out. And so pretty much you have to clamp those together.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. When Gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
So now we are on our last step, which is pretty much just lacing it up. I feel like this is self-explanatory. You're going to take the metal chains that I have. I'm just going to lace it up real quick and I'll show you guys how.
Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. She been
And this is the final result.